This is Ken Jacobson, Senior Mortgage Planner and Loan Officer for Home Trust Mortgage with your mortgage market recap for the week of September 8th to today, the 12th. Let's take a look at the economy and how it's affecting mortgage rates and why it matters if you're buying, selling, or refinancing. We got wholesale inflation, producer price index, PPI came in much cooler than expected. In fact, it fell, and previous high reports were revised lower. Cooler inflation on the wholesale level is good news for everybody. It suggests that price pressures may not be passed on to the consumer and puts less pressure on the Federal Reserve to worry about inflation and concentrate more on rates moving lower. On the flip side, though, we got the consumer price index, CPI. It came in a little hotter than expected, up a tenth above what was estimated. But core CPI, which cuts out food and energy prices, doesn't count them, stayed flat and in line with estimates. Now, this isn't a red flag yet. The Fed is watching closely, but steady core inflation tells us the trend is still under control. Again, positive for rates. The MBA, Mortgage Bankers Association, said that housing activity has picked up because of the lower rates. Applications to purchase a home were up 7% last week and are up 23% since this time last year. Refinances are up 34% since this time last year. This shows us that buyers are coming off the sidelines and purchasing homes, and homeowners are refinancing to get lower rates or to get a cash-out refinance and pay off all those credit cards. Initial jobless claims spiked by 27,000 last week, biggest jump in almost 4 years. Continuing claims remain elevated, showing it's harder to get a job once you're laid off. Why does all this matter? A softer job market signals the Fed feels more comfortable cutting rates soon. Bond markets like these unemployment reports, and that helps keep mortgage rates moving lower. In fact, the bond markets have already priced in the Fed lowering on September 17th. They did it on August 22nd when Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell made his announcement. So on the 17th of September, when they cut the rates, you're going to say, well, did the rates go down? No, they're already down. It's already priced in. Don't miss it. They dropped 5 times last year, once for 1 day, another for a day and a half, another for 1 day. If you haven't applied and I don't have a soft pull on you and you call me and say, Ken, lock me in, I can't. So let's do this so that we're ready. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, a great weekend, and God bless you. And be safe out there.